Hi friends, welcome to Kalakurri, one more episode of Creative Funky Art. And for that, we have a guest celebrity, an artist, all the way from Chhattisgarh.
आज हम ये फ़ोटो फ्रेम बनाने जा रहे हैं, जिसके लिए हमें लगेगा एक फ़ोटो रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए, एक ग्लू, कटर, पेंसिल एंड वाइट पेन जिससे हम ड्राइंग करेंगे एंड स्केल.
So this is the process where he is taking the registration as to how much size of the window should be left open. The frame today which he is going to make for us is 4x6. It's a postcard size photograph. Typical photographs found at houses are about 4x6, 5/7. So we're using the smallest size, 4x6. So friends, there's one more reminder for you. Whenever you're using a cutter or a blade, please take care and see if there's an adult nearby to supervise you. So basically the skeleton of the frame is ready. He is going ahead one step further and adding a second layer of black mount board. So it will definitely give a good look to the frame.
हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है। और ये जो हमने पहले कट किया था, इसे हम इसके पीछे इस तरीके से पेस्ट करेंगे। ये भी ग्लू लगा देंगे।
अच्छा, गम को लगा के ऐसा, अच्छा स्प्रेड करने के लिए हाथ से लगा, हाथ से स्प्रेड करने से क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
हाथ खराब नहीं होंगे, अभी हम यहाँ भी काम करेंगे।
अच्छा, ताकि किसी और गंदगी कहीं और नहीं फैले एंड ग्लू कहीं और बेकार में नहीं लगे। So he's applying glue to the skeleton of the frame. Then he'll be pasting it onto this black design.
Paste हो गया।
So this is how your frame will look.
तो अभी इसे थोड़ी देर सूखने देंगे।
So till the time the frame is taking up to dry, he is going to create the back cover of the frame with an L stand so that the frame stands, and a slot where you can slide in your photograph from.
तो ये फ्रेम अब सूख कर रेडी हो गया है। ये मैंने कुछ स्ट्रिप्स काटे हुए हैं जिसे हम इसके पीछे पेस्ट करेंगे।
अच्छा,
इस तरीके से।
अच्छा। So basically the frame is dried up and it's ready, and he's got 3 strips of paper where the photo will slide in and out from. He's going to paste that. तो आप फेविकॉल वगैरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं कि ऑलफिक्स ही यूज करते हैं?
फेविकॉल यूज कर सकते हैं।
तो ऑलफिक्स क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं आप? ये आम मार्केट में नॉर्मली आराम से मिल जाता है?
नहीं, ये थोड़ी जल्दी
सूखता है।
ओके, ड्राई।
So basically he's taken the photo for the exact measurement and then he's pasting the strips of paper, because otherwise if the placement is a little haywire, your photos might not be in place in the frame. It might slide in and out abruptly and it might not fall in place. The final piece of strip going in. The strips are very close and snug, so your photo does not move around.
अभी ये ड्राई हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम इसे यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देंगे इसको।
बैक कवर। अच्छा,
तो थोड़ा देर वेट कर लेते हैं जब तक ये ड्राई हो।
Okay. So now we are waiting for this to dry. Then the final process is, this is the back cover of the frame which goes on top, and then the only thing left after that is the stand of the frame. That's it. So he's going to cut the stand of the frame. So basically what he is doing, he's drawing a triangle, and I think that will be folded scored from the center line and then paste half on it, so then the stand folds in out when you need it to be. So he's scoring the center line, so he's not going through the paper, he's just scoring a line so that it folds easily. The reason why this is triangular in shape is because your frame goes at an angle. So this keeps it straight, like this, correct? almost complete, almost done with everything. We just need to leave it for about 5 minutes to dry. So everything is ready, the frame is almost ready. We are now excited for the big reveal.
Frame is ready.
Wow, nice. So we have a photo here. We'll try and place it inside and see how it looks. So that is how the frame looks. So guys, hope you enjoyed this wonderful, enriching experience. It is very simple. You have materials provided at your house. You can use thermocol, you can use MDF, you can use cardboard, any material you like. Frames are endless, possibilities are endless. You can have the perspective different. So guys, I hope you enjoy and share this video with your family and loved ones. Signing off for today, Ishaan and Domesh. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.